Yeah?
What are you doing?
Giving him a shower.
I asked you to give me a bath.
He wanted to take a shower.
Dad, I'm gonna hug you and kiss you. Daddy, I'm gonna hug you and kiss you. Hey, I love you. Dad, I love you.
Bro, go back over there. Go. Bro, I'm trying to take a shit. I'm trying to take a caca. I can't do it. Damn. Go sit down. Go play with the shit. You done took everything out. Why do you want to be under me, bro? It smell like all types of bounce that ass in here.